Welcome to our channel, where we bring you helpful guides and tutorials on using X to enhance your photos. In this video, we'll show you how to add a sticker to your photo in X. Adding stickers is a fun way to personalize and express yourself. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device and wait for it to load. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon and tap on Post. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Tap on the photo. Select the photo you want to add a sticker to from your gallery. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Then, tap on the smiley icon. Locate the smiley icon, which represents stickers, usually found among the editing options. Tap on it to access the available sticker collection. Step 5. Tap on a sticker to add it. Browse through the sticker collection and choose the one that suits your photo. Tap on it to add the sticker to your photo. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a sticker to your photo in X. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials and tips.